Want to see how easy it is to make these awesome crackers? They're filled with peperoncino and Calabrese chili oil. Watch this.
To a bowl, add 250 grams of 00 flour, along with 6 grams of sea salt, 5 grams of sugar, and then don't forget that peperoncino, about 10 grams. Mix it with 40 grams of chili oil and 100 grams of water. Knead it with your hands. It's going to look kind of loose and shaggy. Once you're done, throw it in a bag and store it for an hour at room temperature. Now, take it out of the bag, cut it up, and then press on it. And then with your pasta machine, start on 0 on the widest setting, and then every time you pass it through, click down 1 notch on the roller, all the way to number 5. So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. All the way down until 5. Once you have these sheets, cut them to whatever size you like. I like to do these strips, and they bake beautifully. They're easy to hold, and they look gorgeous in a bowl. Now, look at that cutter that came from Italy. I love this thing so much. Now, look at all that peperoncino locked inside and the beautiful color from that chili oil. Take a sheet pan, use some parchment paper, and layer them flat. Don't overlap them. Stick them in a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Oh, look at all of those bubbles. Those come from not leaven, but just from the water evaporating and that beautiful crispy texture. Look at that. Love these.